What I have here is a 2009 Dodge Grandcaravan 3.3. Gonna be changing out the front brake pads on this one. There's a little lip. This lip right here. This right here is gonna fit into, and I'll show you that here in a minute. Tools you're gonna need for this job is some grease. I use my 3/4 inch with an adapter to go to the drill. You're gonna need caliper compressor, half-inch socket, and 19-inch millimeter. I believe that's all you're gonna need. This is where this right here comes in handy. You're going to take your 1/2-inch socket or wrench, whatever, and wrong way to go in. And then you also need a flathead screwdriver. Yeah, wedge in here. Kind of prop on the piston just a little bit, just to get it. Where it will move. Right. And it comes off just like that. Pads come out just like so. Right. These right here, you're gonna clean these off, these little pins, and re-grease them with grease. Both of them. Now, to get this piston back in, how you use this is you're going to take this old brake pad, put it in there just like this, and you want to take this until it fits. It'll look like that all the way in, and then you're going to take your new pads over here, and then you gotta grease those areas right there, and then take these out. I usually clean them, but I'm kind of in a hurry. Grease it like that. Stick back in there. You should same thing right here. Whoop. Just grease on it. Kind of when you put it back in, kind of twist it just a little bit. There you go. And then there you go. And then the back one where the piston goes, you're gonna want to put some grease back here, like that. Alright. Alright. They fit. The one that has the squealing blade is the piece that sticks off that tells you when to change your brakes. It goes on the other side. We'll put that in there. Yes. So sometimes they're a pain in the ass. Sometimes. Like that now? Yeah. Right now. This one ain't want to go. There we go. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Damn it, son, damn it. Alright. Now what you're going to do here is you're going to take this off. Remove this. Take this, flip it back around. Push the little pins down. And you're going to take these two bolts, put the bolts back in, just like so. Fuck, I do that.